Daegu's relentless hum fades into a distant memory as you turn off the main road. Rolling hills dotted with peach trees come into view, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. Forget the usual tourist itinerary. Walking in circles isn't about ticking off landmarks. Nestled amidst this serene rural landscape, it's a haven where the journey is inward. Walking in circles isn't your grand escape to exotic locales. It's a return, a homecoming to a place that feels inherently familiar, even on your first visit. Here, luxury lies in simplicity. Imagine stepping into a cozy holiday home, one that seems to have always been waiting for you. The only sounds are the whispering wind and the dappled sunlight playing on the walls, painting them with shifting shadows. This isn't just a change in scenery, it's a shift in consciousness. Walking in circles is a sanctuary for the soul. Free from the constant barrage of emails, deadlines, and the city's relentless energy, your mind can finally unwind. It's a therapeutic space where you can confront yourself, a space that allows you to shed yesterday's worries and meet a new, rejuvenated version of yourself. Here, the journey isn't about external exploration, but about internal reflection. It's a chance to pause, to rediscover your center, and to face yourself with newfound clarity. After a day spent basking in the tranquility of walking in circles, returning to the world feels like stepping into a fresh chapter. The fast pace of life doesn't seem so daunting anymore. You carry with you the peace and clarity gleaned from this unexpected journey, a journey that redefined the very meaning of exploration. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most profound discoveries are made not by venturing out, but by turning inward.